You ever find yourself at the end of the month wondering where all your money went? You had a plan, a budget, but somehow it all just disappeared? What if there was a way to save without even thinking about it? A way to turn all those little purchases into a big, fat savings pot? Well, that's exactly what Monzo's Roundups feature does. It's a simple, brilliant tool that helps you save your spare change automatically every single time you use your Monzo card. Think about it. You buy a coffee for £2.60. Monzo automatically rounds that up to £3 and puts that extra 40p straight into a savings pot for you. You get a sandwich for £4.20? That's another 80p saved. It seems small, but all those little bits of spare change quickly add up, and before you know it, you've got a decent little sum put away for that thing you've been wanting to save for. So, how do you get started? It's really easy. First, you need to have a Monzo account. If you don't have one, just download the app and sign up. It takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you'll see the main screen. Now, you need a savings pot to send the money to. Just tap the plus button on the home screen and create a new pot. You can name it whatever you like: holiday fund, new gadget, emergency savings, whatever motivates you. Once you've got your pot, it's time to link it to Roundups. On the home screen, just tap on your new pot. From there, you'll see a pot details or settings option. You should find the Roundups feature there. All you need to do is toggle it on. That's it. Now, every time you make a purchase with your Monzo card, the spare change will automatically be rounded up and dropped into that pot. You can see the magic happen in real time, and it's so satisfying to watch your savings grow without any effort on your part. It's like a passive savings machine. You're not cutting back on your spending, you're just making your spending work for you. And here's a pro tip: for an extra boost, you can turn on the boost feature. This lets you multiply the roundup amount by 2, 5, or even 10. So that 40p from the coffee? It could become 80p, £2, or even £4. It's a fantastic way to accelerate your savings and get to your goal even faster. So, stop letting that spare change vanish into thin air. With Monzo Roundups, you can put it to work and start building your savings pot one purchase at a time. It's a simple change that can make a huge difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.